Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy, and today I want to talk about prioritizing risk management effort. So risk management 1, risk management 2, you've probably read my article, or if you haven't, I highly recommend you do. At the end of the day, it's not about choosing one or the other, both are necessary unfortunately, but it's all about prioritizing. The sad reality is that most risk managers, either in financial services or outside of financial services, spend most of their time on risk management 1, which means they do a lot of stuff, they're very busy, and yet their work, or the output of their work, has little if any effect on the actual decision making, which means it probably doesn't contribute as much as they would have hoped to the achievement of objectives, which is weird because that's the ultimate idea, ultimate purpose of risk management after all. So risk management 1 should probably take 10 or less % of your time, while risk management 2 takes the other 90%. And if that's how you prioritize your work, then you will be able to support the decision makers, you will over time become a trusted advisor, and will add so much more value to the company. You'll also be a much happier risk manager. I'm interested in hearing your thoughts. Please share underneath this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the Risk Academy channel.